Hello everyone, here in this video I am going to show you that how you can add a background image to any section of your Shopify store. So I will show you step by step that how you can add a background image for any section of any page in your Shopify store. So here on my screen you can see that this is the home page of my development store. So I have multiple sections here. I already downloaded some images and then uploaded in content files. So whatever image you are interested to display, so you need to download and then upload it here. Once you upload it, then after again go back here. So for example, I am taking an example of this featured collection section. So you need to right click on it and then scroll a little bit down and make sure that you should click here on three dots and then choose this screen so that you should see the desktop view of it. And then after you need to click on this inspector, and here you need to click, and then you can see that this specific section is selected now. And we are interested to put the background image. So what you need to do is you need to go back to files, copy any of the image. For example, I am copying this image. Then after go back here, and on the right hand side you should click and then right here background dash image, and here you need to write URL, and inside of brackets you need to paste that URL which you copied from content. So I pasted here and then press enter key. So here you can see that background image is applied now. And one more property you need to add here is you just need to write here cover. So that is actually background size, and then press enter key. So in that way the main image is applied here without any cuts on the ends of this background image. Alright, so finally we applied that, and now we need to paste this code inside of the section. So you can see that this is the customization, and here you need to click, and then on the right hand side we have this input box to add custom CSS. So basically you need to observe here that this is a collection, so you need to copy the name from here, and then you need to write here dot collection and then space and parenthesis, and inside of it you need to paste this code. So basically I am going to copy from here, then going to paste it right here inside of this collection and curly braces, and then after you can save the changes, and let's see how it looks. So let me refresh this page again, and here we go. Now you can see that background image has been applied. Alright, so right now this image is not good because we can see that the text is already hidden. So for that you can apply any other image. For example, I am copying this link here and then pasting the new URL inside of this URL and parenthesis. So let me remove the existing URL and let me paste the new one, and then save the changes. Now you can see that new image has been applied. Can you see? So that's how you can actually apply this. First example, I'm considering this specific section, and inside of this section I am interested to apply, this is actually multi-column. So you need to go back here. So for example, I have this image. So let me copy from here, and before that what I am going to do here is you need to click on multi-column. Basically this section I am going to apply. So scroll down from the right side, and here is the input box. You need to write here dot multi-column and then space and then curly brace and paste. Actually we again need to write background dash image, and then inside of here you need to write after the colon you need to write URL, and inside of this you need to paste that copied URL. So here you can see that that is applied. Now one more thing is just below this line you need to write background size. So we need to put it cover and then save the changes. Let me refresh here. Here we go. Now you can see that we have applied 2 images. So similarly, you can apply multiple images in different sections. So let's say I am interested to apply a background image here, for example, for this section. This is actually collapsible content. So for that you need to copy the image. So for example, I'm copying this image and let's apply here. So basically this is background dash image, and then here we need to write URL and pasting that URL, and then background size is cover, and that's it. So now you can see that this is looking a little bit bad because the background image is not better. So let's say I am going to apply this image. So for that, let me remove the existing image and adding this image. So now you can see that this is looking a little bit better, but still this is much darker. So basically you can apply any kind of image here. So for now I am interested to put it like this. So let me copy this class name from here, go back, and let's say this is the collapsible content, and here we have to write dot and then name of that class, and inside of it I am going to paste this specific code, which is actually the image code, and then paste it right here, save the changes, and here we have the default color. Here you can write section container. So here we go. Now this looks more better than before. If you have any problem or something, you can ask me. Definitely I will help you out in that. So this is how you can actually apply any background image to any of the section of your Shopify store. It doesn't matter that which theme you are using. In every theme this technique is useful. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. If you have anything related to Shopify, you can directly message me. I will help you out in that. Thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.